Hey guys, so quick video on how you can possibly fix the issue with your Garmin Forerunner 45 if it's not working. So I was looking here on Reddit. This is something I found here that someone wrote here is that if persistent outside, try restarting and possibly formatting it or just leaving it on the outside forever, or you could try to connect it with the additional GNSS. If it doesn't work, try to warranty with Garmin. Garmin customer service has been very good. Now this is the first thing that you can try to do. Then also another thing that's wrote here, you can turn it off, turn it on, and then I made master restart. So to make master restart, I was looking on how to actually do it, and this is something I found here. So maybe this is going to work. So you can do the standard restart when you're going to do the factory reset on YouTube, when you would Google it, when you would like search for it, or you're going to have the, then power off, press and hold light, yes on prompt, press and hold start, stop, and lab reset, press and hold light, after first beep release, start and stop, after second beep release, lab reset, release light. So this is something that you can try to do, and this is something that I found that maybe it's going to work, maybe, try it out. Or the last thing here is that plug the watch into computer, open the device hard drive windows, open File Explorer, click on this PC, click on the watch Mac, open Finder, go to computer, click on the Garmin drive, and in the Garmin folder, delete the remote as a folder and sync with the Garmin Express. So this is something that you want to do and try to do, and maybe some of it is going to help you. So have a great day and goodbye.